Alright guys, today we're looking at the Steel Will Knives Cutjack Urban Flipper. I like this knife a lot. I like a lot of what Steel Will is doing. Here's one thing about them. Steel Will does flipper tab geometry correct. Look, they've got this little jimping up there. And when you pull this thing, it just works. It works really, really well. And I love it. Yeah, let's get into it. Overall length is 8 inches. Blade length is 3.5 inches of M390 steel. You got a liner lock right there. And the handle length is 4.5 inches with stainless steel liners and G10 on the outside. This is black G10. We have other options as well. Let's go ahead and check those out. 4.3 ounces in weight. And here's your size comparison next to a tactical clothespin. Got a pocket clip right there for tip up or tip up right or left handed carry. There we go. And I love the ergonomics on this guy. It's got a nice thumb ramp with some jimping right there. It gives you a really great purchase. It's also got a finger choil on the blade so you can choke up if you need to. Really great stuff. So guys, go ahead and buy this knife at bladehq.com. This is the Steel Will Knives Cutjack Urban Flipper.